Hi, my name is Luana. Hi, my name is Carmen. Hi, my name is Mari. Hi, my name is Bill. Hi, my name is Giovanna. Hi, my name is Jackie. Hello, my name is Bia. Hello, my name is Hardy.
This is Intermediate A. They had a great time learning about the water cycle. They decided together to prepare an interpretation of what they have learned. This is their first assembly, and it's important for them because they can proudly express themselves on stage, showing that all the content presented in class was meaningful and that they can pass their knowledge to other people.
How are you? Or you can say, hey water, how are you?
I'm gonna warm you up.
See? Do you remember now? It feels so good.
It feels so good.
Something is happening.
So happy.
Good job. Turn around it.
Shake,
Great job. Now these drops you get out of the scene.
We at the sky. We vibrate.
Good job, guys. Rafa, Ethel, and Will.
Again.
Good job, Intermediate.
We vibrate.
Good job.
Down from the sky.
Into the river.
Into the river.
Up to the sky.
We are vibrating. I'm gonna warm you up. Down from the sky.
Into the river.
Into
Good
the
job,
river.
Ethel. And now you go down to the river. Good job.
Hey, it's a beautiful day. Hey, water, how are you? I'm cold. I'm gonna warm you up. So to be happy. We are the side of celebration. Let's make it rain. We down from the sky into the river.
Everybody together.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Brother wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
We're
wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
All the family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.